Hi everyone, Stacy with Industrial Rotor. Got a new product available for you. You've seen these around and they are a lifesaver if you're flying professionally. It is a HiVis vest that we've made. We've tried to get the best we could. We decided to go with red outside of the yellow because of other people being on set and construction sites where you have people in yellow. We wanted to be able to differentiate what you are able to see. Of course, it is a vest that you wear, and it says FAA licensed commercial drone pilot. Do not disturb. Cuts down on the chatter. Also gives you that professional look that we all need. The vest itself has several pockets. We chose it to design it with several pockets. Has different hooks and places available. So you got two large pockets. You got a pin pocket, a nice D hook or a D hoop there, a little pocket for sunshade or something, and also a place to put in any information that you would deem that would be necessary. So that's it. This is the back of it. So when you're flying, it gives you what you need. First off, differentiate and tell people that you're serious about what you're doing. It also tells people to step back. It's nothing like starting to fly whether you're flying professionally or just as recreational. It doesn't matter what you're doing. People are going to come up to you, and it is very, very distracting. It is also costing you money, and it's costing your client money when you're being distracted. This sort of just lets people, hey, no, you're serious. You're serious about what you're doing. You're a professional. Do not disturb. And you're supposed to be there. So that gives you a lot of freedom in this situation to be able to properly do your job. So anyway, these are available on the website. If you have any questions, give us a call, and we look forward to serving you, and you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.